Our advanced H3 fusion technology is the perfect integration of extruded aluminum, vinyl, and wood. Its patent-pending design and construction gives it an industry-leading seal against the elements. It's also extremely durable and easy to install. It features a wood interior for warmth and beauty. The extra strong 0.078-inch vinyl base frame offers superior rigidity, protection against rot, and greater resistance to air or water leaks. Vinyl components remain hidden when window is closed. Integral rigid nailing provides greater structural integrity, an improved water barrier, and easier installation that nearly eliminates racking problems. And lastly, it's protected by our exclusive CoreGuard Plus, the industry's best wood protection, making the H3 series superior to most others on the market. To learn more, make an appointment to visit our Ram window and door showroom today.